Let's take a look at how to use subject pronouns in Spanish. And the first thing we need to know is that subject pronouns are used for two things: clarification and/or emphasis. Okay? Now I'm going to draw a box, and I want you to remember this box, in particular the order in which we write subject pronouns. Okay? So here's our box, and we're going to include two columns. Okay, let's write our subject pronouns. So we'll begin with the first column, and our first subject pronoun is yo. The second subject pronoun is tú. And in this third box, we have three different subject pronouns. We have él, ella, usted. In this fourth box, we have two subject pronouns: nosotros, nosotras. And in this last box, we have three subject pronouns: ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Okay, so what do these mean? This yo means I. This tú means you. This él means he. Ella, she. Usted, you. And nosotros and nosotras both mean we. Ellos and ellas both mean they, and ustedes means you all. Okay, now let's point out a couple things. The first thing we're going to point out is, if you notice, this tú and this usted both mean you. Okay, now this tú here, this you, is informal, and we use it with friends, okay? So, amigos. This you down here, usted, is different. In this case, it is formal, and we use it with people like our professors, okay? Profesores. Now, nosotros and nosotras both mean we. Nosotros could be true for all males or males and females. Nosotras is only true for all females. Okay? Ellos could be true for all males, and it could also be true for males and females. And ellas can only be true for all females. Okay? The last thing we need to point out is the accent over this U and the accent over this E. Okay? Make sure you write them in Spanish when using subject pronouns. If you do not write them, they mean a completely different word. Okay, so let's write importantes. Okay, so these two accents are really important. So let's go over the pronunciation of these subject pronouns one more time. So we have yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, ustedes. Okay? So remember, we use subject pronouns for clarification and or emphasis. If you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego.